Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 8, Subject Social Science, Chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Effect of the British Rule in India. What was the name of the chapter? Effect of the British Rule in India. Aruna was reading the newspaper in the morning. What happened there, dear children? Aruna was reading the newspaper in the morning while her daughter Purva was sitting beside her. At that time, what happened? Aruna was reading the newspaper. At that time, her daughter Purva was sitting beside her and doing her homework. Aruna read loudly. Now what happened that Aruna read the loudly. Aruna read loudly. That revolution in Libya. What they have to read loudly, Aruna? Aruna read loudly that revolution in Libya. Dear children, you know very well about the meaning of revolution. Revolution, it means Kranti. And where is the Libya is located? Libya is a country located into the North Africa. If you have to see the meaning of the revolution, then revolution is a fundamental and relatively sudden change in political power and political organization which occurs when the population revolt against the government, typically due to the perceived oppression, it means politically, socially and economic or political incompetence. In other words, you have also defined the meaning of the revolution that a forcible overthrow of a government or social order in favor of a new system. It means Aruna read loudly revolution in Libya. Hearing this, Purva asked, "Why do the people revolt?" Now, what happened there? Purva asked to her mother there, "Why do the people revolt?" Aruna answered, when the need of the people are not satisfied and the people face the economic crisis, they revolt. What happened there, dear children? When the people do the revolution when the people need are not satisfied and people are facing the all kind of the problem economically, socially as well as the politically. That's why they are doing the economic crisis and they do the revolt. In our country also, during the British rule, the condition of the people was very bad. Now what happened there, dear children? In our country, it means in our nation, in India, during the British rule, the condition of the people was very bad, and as a result, in a revolt. And you have learned that the first time in India in 1857, people do the revolt against the British rule. Let me tell you about the life of the Indian at that time. Now, dear children, we have to study about the life of the Indian at the time of the British rule. India was economically prosperous till the 18th century. Dear children, you know very well that India was economically prosperous till the 18th century. The anarchy that followed the death of Aurangzeb could not be considered. Now what happened then? Whatever the anarchy it means way of system. That time the following the death of Aurangzeb could not weaken it. But it has been admitted by the historian across the world that the industries, production, technique and the organization of trade in India were unmatched at that time. It means what happened there, dear children? At that time, the India was a good position in economical way. The same country, India, became poor and the bankrupt during the nearly 200 of the British ruler. Dear children, what they have to given there? They have to given there nearly within the 200 of the British rule. The same country, India, become the poor as well as the bankrupt during the 200 year of the British rule. And it became the country that supplied the raw material to the factories in England. Now what happened there? It became the country that supplied the raw material to the factory in England and offer a large market for the finished product of the factory in England. It means what happened that India was supplying the raw material to the factories of the England and offering the large market of the England to produce the finished product factories into the England. Now dear children, they have to given about the condition of peasant and agriculture during the British rule. What they have to given that? They have to given that condition of the peasant. Peasant it means farmer, kisan, and agriculture during the British rule. The British got a new opportunity to increase their income after the acquisition of the Diwani rights. What happened there, dear children? The British got a new opportunity to increase their income after the acquisition of the Diwani rights. After the acquisition of which right? Diwani rights. Diwani rights it means right to collect the land revenue. What was the meaning of the Diwani rights, dear children? Diwani rights it means rights to collect the land revenue of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. They started the exploiting the peasant. Now what happened there? Now the Britisher was exploiting. Exploiting it means शोषण करना. किसका शोषण कर रहे थे? Peasant. Peasant it means किसानों का. To earn the more revenue. To earn the more revenue. And as a result, the peasant became a poorer. And as a result, what happened there? Due to the British are exploiting the peasant, that's why the result of the peasant become the poorer. Many times the peasant had to sell their jewelry to pay the revenue. Now what happened there? Many times the peasant had to sell their jewelry to pay the revenue. A large number of peasants had to borrow the money from the money lenders. And what happened there, dear children? A large number of peasants had to borrow money from the money lenders and consequently fell into the debt trap. And now what happened that so many peasants had borrowed the money from the money lender, and due to that consequently it means one kind of the continuous way fell into the debt trap. Farmers lost their land and agriculture suffered in many regions of India. And due to the borrowing of the money from the money lenders and fell in the debt trap, that's why farmers lost their land and agriculture suffered in many regions of the India. Moreover, Bengal witnesses a terrible famine. At that time, what happened there? Bengal also witnesses the terrible famine. Terrible famine, it means bhayanak akal. In the year of the 1770, in the which year? In 1770, in which the lakhs of the people died of the starvation. At the 1770, because of the famine, what happened? That lakh of the people died due to the starvation. Starvation, it means bhukmari. Governor General Lord Cornwallis, what happened? That Governor General Lord Cornwallis enforced the Permanent Settlement Act in order to collect the revenue. Now what happened there, dear children? Here the Governor General Lord Cornwallis enforce it means implement the Permanent Settlement Act in order to collect the revenue. As per this act, it means as per the Permanent Settlement Act, the company fixed the revenue on an annual basis. Now what happened that now company was fixed the revenue on the basis of annual at the Jamindar. Jamindar it means here children landlord. We are given the permanent right of the land and revenue of the collection. And that's why what happened there? Now Britisher fixed the revenue on the basis of the annual basis, and that's why the jamindar it means landlord were given the permanent right of the land as well as the revenue of the collection. And this is how a class of the landlord loyal to the company was created. And due to that, what happened that now landlord was loyal for the companies, and this act also ensured the income of the company. And due to this Permanent Settlement Act was ensured the income of the company. Against this, the peasant who work hard in the hot sun to cultivate the land and grow the crop were exploited. Now what happened that, dear children? Due to this act, now the peasant who work hard in the hot sun to the cultivate the land and grow the crop were now exploited. Exploited, it means शोषित होना. Now dear children, this is the image. You have to given that here the image of the Lord Cornwallis, here the improved of the peasant. Now they have to given about the effect of the social life. Which one, dear children? Effect of the social life they have to given that. Now which kind of the effect on the social life of the people? Now Warren Hastings, the person who was given the job of collecting revenue, was known as a collector. Who is known as a collector, dear children? The Warren Hastings. Who was Warren Hastings? Warren Hastings was the Governor General of the India. Now Warren Hastings, the person who has given the job. Now Warren Hastings has given the job. In this job, a person who was collecting a revenue was known as the collector. A person who was collecting a revenue was known as a collector. He also performed the function of judge. And the collector, it means this person is also the function of judge. The British system of administration destroyed our ancient system of the self-rule. Now what happened there? Due to this British system, now British system of the administrative destroyed our ancient system of the self-rule. Now in the ancient system, what happened that every village was like a small republic. In our ancient system of the India, what happened that every village was like a small republic. Gram Panchayat handled the administration of the entire village. Now this Panchayat were like the backbone of the self-rule in our country. It means in our ancient time, what happened that the Panchayat were like the backbone. What? Our backbone. Backbone, it means Aadhar hona. Backbone of the self-rule in our country. But this institution of local self-rule stood, it means khada hona, stood their ground even during the time of the foreign invasion in the Sultanate period, but were destroyed. These all things were destroyed due to the administrative policy of the British. It means what happened there? Whatever the administrative policy of the British now destroy our self-rule in the Panchayat. The policy of social reform by the company made that the people feel insecure and suspicious. Now what happened that whatever the policy prepared by the British government for social reform of the company made people feel regarding with the insecure as well as the suspicious. Suspicious, it means sandehjanaka. They felt that the government was trying to convert them to the Christianity. What the people are feeling? People are feeling that the British government was converting them into the Christianity and destroy the Indian culture. And the British should destroy our Indian culture as a religious forever. People believe that the Indian social system was deliberately, the people of the India in society believe that the social system was deliberately, it means janbujhkar, undermine it means durbal karna, kam aagna, in the railways and the military. What the people are believe that? People believe that Indian social system was deliberately undermined in the railways and the military. An order was passed in Agra. Now which kind of the order was passed? An order was passed in Agra that every Indian had to salute the British. Which kind of the order was passed by the Britisher? The Britisher passed the order that in Agra that every Indian had to salute the Britisher. If it was not done, then it was considered as a crime. Otherwise, what happened that it was considered a crime. and was liable for the punishment that if the Indian person not salute the British in Agra. As a result, there was a wide spread of the sentiments of the anger, and due to that, what happened there? Now there was a wide spread of the sentiment. Sentiment it means bhavukta of anger and hatred for the British among the Indian, and due to that, now what happened there? Maximum people are doing the hatred. Hatred यानी नफरत करना, द्वेष, घृणा for the British among the Indians.